Whoa, okay, here we go. Fish on. All right. Hey all, welcome back to YakAboutAYak. I'm your host, Black Sparrow. Today, we're on the river. Our target species is walleye. Best way to catch walleye on the river is trolling. You know what also comes along with walleye is drum and or sheephead by its other name. So if you got drum in the area, there's gonna be walleye in the area. So come along for the ride and we'll catch you on the flip side. All right, we are going to try an imitation minnow here. Berkeley minnow. And we'll lock this guy into position and see how it does. Fish on. All right. She's coming in like a log. I'm thinking this is a walleye. I'm hoping it's a walleye. Hoping it's a walleye. It's oh, now it's fighting. Oh, that's a drum. That's a drum tug. Whoa, that is a drum tug for sure. Oh yeah, big old drum. Oh, alrighty. GoPro, stop. Oh, that's a nice sized drum. Not bad. Give me a nice fight. You could make poor man's lobster out of drum. Very easy to do. Check out my other video. Maybe I'll put a link in the description for poor man's lobster. But not the target species for today. I'm after walleye for today. So, gonna send this guy back. Let's see, that's probably about 9, 18, 19, 20, guessing about 21 inches. How is that for estimation? I guess 21 inches. She is 22. Not bad. Not bad. But she's not what we want for today. She's probably about 5 or 6 pounds. We're going to send this little puppy back where she came from. See you later. And she's gone. Look at these. Wow. Unbelievable. Fish on. Not fighting very much, which to me is a good sign, because that could be the target species. Oh, and it let go. The fact that it came all the way here and then let go, oh, that was a walleye. That was a walleye. All right, well, easy come, easy go. Fish on, fish gone. Let's put her back in the water and keep going. GoPro. The one thing I find about walleye is that despite the sharp teeth they have in their mouth, they really have very thin skin around the mouth. So if you catch it in one of that thin part of the cheek, the thin part of the mouth, unfortunately, as you're bringing it in and you're fighting the fish and it's thrashing away, that hook has a tendency to pop out, especially right at the surface. So get your nets ready if you feel like it's a log coming in, because if it's a walleye, chances are if you're gonna lose it, you're gonna lose it right as you get it to the surface. All right. Whoa, okay, here we go. Fish on. All right. It's thrashing around the way she's thrashing and tugging. My guess, this is definitely not a walleye. This is a drum. But whatever it is, she's fighting good. So, whoa, listen to that drag peel. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on. Gaining, 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 gaining. Now she's coming in like a log. Okay, not coming in like a drum anymore. All right. Will this be target acquired? Or will this be another beat of the drum? Come on, baby. Come on. Tie her out. Tie her out. Yeah, she's a drum. She's a drum. I saw the silver. Did not see gold. All right. Come on, come on, come on, come on. She waved to me. Waving again. Hello. And all right. Not bad. Little drum. About maybe 20 inches or so, I'd say. Gave me a good fight. Oh, slippery suckers. There we go. There. Oh, that's better. Look at that. Shimmery gold. Yes. They are, pound for pound, a great fight. I'd say the fight that a drum puts up is even better than bass, but not the target species. So back you go, buddy. All right, and she's gone. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that episode. I know I had fun. Caught a bunch of drum, and well, although we didn't catch a walleye, it was still worth the effort. So we know what time of the month not to fish. Lunar Cycles did say that this time is only a 1-star fishing day. So the fact that we even got some drum, hey, that was a bonus. Can't win them all. All right, well, hope you enjoyed that. As always, I'm Black Sparrow for YakAboutAYak saying, catch you later. Whoa, okay, here we go. Fish on. All right. Oh yeah. Big old drum. She waved to me. Waving again. Hello.